Surrounding us today is the hard work of so many people who, for 4 years, have given up their time to help us take a stand against domestic and family violence. This year, of course, we had more than 50 registered knitters contribute to this colourful project, who for many months have been busily knitting numerous squares, strips, flowers, pom-poms and blankets. We launched this project today to show our support for the UN Women's 16 Days Activism against Gender-Based Violence, a campaign to challenge violence against women and girls. This international campaign begins today.
The wooden house the inmates constructed symbolised a safe house, as the Mayor explained, or welcoming home, and is a reminder of our cubby house where children play and make happy memories.